guys, what's up? Welcome back. This is your setting trainer, Sydney, and today I have a 10-minute beginner workout for you guys on the incline rower. So let's get strapped in and we will start together. Make sure these straps are nice and tight. We don't want to be falling out while we're on this machine. Alright, grab your handlebars. We're going to get started with a light and easy 1-minute warm-up. So we're going to be going nice and slow, nice and even row, just to warm up the body. We're also getting used to this movement here. Alright, so when you're rowing on this machine, your core should remain nice and tight throughout your entire row. As you come down to the bottom, I don't want any slouching. Your back should be nice and straight. Core nice and tight. We are pushing with our legs, finishing with the arms. Good, we've got about 30 seconds left and then we'll get into our workout. We're gonna be doing an interval workout today. So we're gonna be rowing for 30 seconds and resting for 15 in between intervals. We're gonna do 5 of those and then take a 1-minute recovery, and then we'll repeat that for one more set. So 2 total sets of 5 rows. Good job. 1 more. And let's put those handlebars to rest. Shake it out. Grab some water if you need it. We're gonna get started here in just a few seconds. Take a nice deep breath. All right, let's get started. I'm gonna start our timer and we'll get started in just 10 seconds. So our first exercise, we have a 30-second interval and then we'll take a 15-second rest. Ready? Let's go. So pick up the pace a little bit from our warm-up here. You should pick a pace that challenges you. So if it's slower than me, that's fine. And if it's faster than me, then that's great. Challenging all of our muscles today and really just getting used to using this machine. And 3, 2, 1, and rest. 15-second rest. Shake it out. Nice deep breath. Let's get mentally prepared for our next interval. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Push that pace. More importantly than anything, if you're a true beginner, is you just want to start getting comfortable on your machine. So if you need to slow down the pace just to practice the form, that's totally fine too. In fact, I encourage that. And 3, 2, 1, and rest. 15 seconds of rest. Whew, starting to feel the burn already. We have 3 more, and then we're gonna take a full 1 minute of rest. Ready? Let's go. Interval number 3. Good job, you guys. Stay strong. Rest is in sight. Exercising with this machine is intense because you are pulling yourself up this incline. So I definitely recommend starting with shorter periods of work before working up to longer periods of exercise with this machine. And rest. That's what makes a workout like this so perfect, is we're training at smaller periods of time, working up to build our endurance for those longer workouts. Ready? Interval number 4, let's go. 2 more, and then we're there. Push yourself. If you're struggling through these last 2 intervals, that's fine. We're working on building up your strength for those longer workouts, remember. So if you need to slow down, that's totally fine. If you find this workout challenging, I encourage you to do it multiple times and rest you're only gonna get stronger with each time you complete it. So that's a really good way to quickly get stronger with this machine. Ready? Interval number 5. Let's do it. Come on, keep breathing. Stay strong. This is our last interval before we take our 1 minute of recovery. Come on, push through. You've got this. And rest. Woo! Great job, you guys. Working out with this machine is seriously challenging, no matter what fitness level you are. I feel like when you first hop on this machine, you definitely have to work with it for a while until you can work up to those longer periods of working out. So, really great job already. We are taking our 1 minute of recovery. So soak it in, grab some water, relax, shake out your body, stretch it out, whatever you need to do, and we'll meet back in here in 1 minute and do another set of intervals. All right, so you already know what's ahead, you already did it once, so you know you can do it one more time. Like I said, if this workout is really challenging for you, I encourage you to try to push through it. Even if you have to slow down or modify a little bit, that's totally fine. Whatever you can do today. I encourage you on this next set, pay attention to where you're gripping with your hands. There's a lot of different places that you can grip on this machine, and really none of them are wrong or right. It's wherever feels most comfortable for you. So you can grip a little bit lower. I'm gripping up here because that's what just feels good to me. All right, we're getting close. We have about 15 more seconds. So if you hopped off your machine, make sure you come back, strap back in, and we'll get going here. 5 more seconds. Come on, get ready. We can do this. Ready? Interval number 1, let's go. Remember to breathe as you row. I know it takes a lot of mental effort when you're first beginning to row. So remember to breathe. Come on, you can do this. And rest. Whew. Interval 1, down. We have 4 more to go. Come on, you guys, we've got this. Get focused. Let's finish this workout strong. Ready? Let's go. Interval number 2. Keep that core tight. There should not be a point in your row when your core is not activated and tight throughout the whole motion. Five more seconds. Come on. And 3, 2, 1, and rest. Oh, great job, you guys. All right, interval number 3. Come on, get ready. 3, 2, 1, let's go. As you're rowing with those arms, think about pinching those shoulder blades behind you at the top of that row. You should feel that nice pinch. We're using that upper back as we row. And rest. Great job, you guys. Only 2 more intervals to go. You guys are doing a great job. Stay focused. You can do this. I know it burns. Only 2 left. Ready? Let's go. Come on, focus in. Pick up that pace if you can. Let's make these last 2 intervals really count. Five more seconds. Stay with me. And rest. So good. I am seriously feeling the burn, but we only have 1 more, so let's fight through that burn and get this last interval. Come on, we can do this. Grab those handles. Ready? Let's go. Last interval of the day. Come on. Keep moving. Do what you can. Ten more seconds. Come on, keep fighting. We're almost there. And 3, 2, 1, and rest. Woo! All right, great job, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me for this workout today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.